Why smart youths are choosing business over civil service. Why smart youths are choosing business over civil service. What exactly is going on in Nigeria today? Why are brilliant, sharp-minded, and well-educated young people, graduates with degrees, NYLC discharge certificates, and even distinctions in their WAEC, suddenly saying no thank you to civil service jobs? Why are they walking away from the dream of government work and instead choosing to 1. Sell perfumes online, open food delivery businesses, run clothes brands, start YouTube or TikTok channels, learn makeup artists, or even trade phones and gadgets from their bedrooms? Are they mad? Are they lazy? Or are they confused of what to do? No, they are smart, very, very smart indeed. Today, I'm going to break it all down, and I will tell you why intelligent youths are abandoning civil service for entrepreneurship, and I will do it in a way that even a primary 5 pupil can understand. So, sit right. This video might just change your mindset and maybe your life too. Hello, my beautiful people, and welcome to my channel where you don't just talk. We talk sense. We break down big issues with laughter, swag, and plenty of realness. And today's topic is hot, peppery, loaded with gist. We are diving into a matter that affects millions of Nigerian youths. Why the smart ones are shouting goodbye government job, hello business. Let me say this loud and clear to everyone. Business is the new cool, and smart youths are not just following trends, they are starting movements. Let me give you 10 plus real, hilarious, relatable, and deep reasons why young people are now choosing business over civil service. Ready? Let's go. Before I begin, please, I would appreciate it if you like this video. You can help me to continue spread this important lesson. If you have not subscribed yet, I recommend you click the subscription button below this video and turn on the bell notification. Like and share this video so I can be motivated to make another video as quick as possible next tomorrow, and you don't miss any of my video this week. Now, let's get started. Here are the 10 facts you need to know. Fact number 1. Civil service salary is fixed, but business income can grow like fire. Let's start with the obvious. Civil service salary is like a jollof rice in a plastic cooler. Once it's finished, that is it. No top up, no extra meals. But business, my friend, business is like cooking your own pot of soup. If the soup is not enough, you add more water and firewood. You make it bigger. That is the beauty of business. You are not limited. One day, you earn 3,000. One day, on another day, or next week, you earn 15,000. Next month, boom, you earn 60,000 naira. Before you know it, you are buying land or opening another branch for extension of your business. Youths have discovered that they don't want just enough to survive. They want to strive. They want to scale, and business gives them that power. Fact number 2. Civil service is frustrating and annoying. Civil service is frustrating and annoying. Let's be real here. In government jobs, to change the color of a signboard, 5 people must sign the form. To buy a stapler, you will wait for 3 weeks of approval process. Even to go on leave, you must write a letter, follow your boss up and down, and still pray that he remember you. Business, it moves at the speed of light. If you want to change your logo today, you do it. If one product is not selling, you switch to another thing. If you want to increase your price, you don't need permission or approval of any boss. Smart youth love that freedom. They don't want red tape. They want results from time to time. Fact number 3, they want freedom, not a time clock. They want freedom, not a time clock. Let's talk about flexibility. In civil service, it is 8 a.m. to 4 p.m., sometimes 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Whether it rains, shining, or thunder strike, you must sign in. If you are late, even by 2 minutes, everybody will mark you. But business, you can choose to work at night. You can go to your shop at 10 a.m. You can close 2 p.m. if you want. And of course, you can even do business from your phone while watching Netflix. Smart youth know this. Life is short. They want time for their family, their passion, their hobbies, and even rest. And here is fact number 4. Passion is more powerful than pension. Yes, civil service gives you pension, but ask many retired civil servants how many that pension is going today. Some are still waiting for money from 2 years ago. Today's youth are different. They are looking for passion, not just pension. They want to 1. Bake cake and be happy, dance on TikTok and earn money, sew clothes and smile, and of course, do makeup and feel fulfilled. They have discovered that following your passion doesn't mean you will suffer. In fact, many are earning more from their talent than some permanent secretaries. And here is point number 5, or fact number 5 you need to know. Business teaches real life skills. Business teaches real life skills. Let's list it out. When you start a business, you immediately start learning. Number 1, you learn money management. Number 2, sale and marketing. Number 3, customer service. Number 4, negotiation. Number 5, how to handle pressure. And number 6, which is not the least, how to bounce back from failure. Compare that with many government jobs where after 10 years of service, the only thing you will learn is how to type memo and forward emails. Smart youth want real world skills that they can use anywhere, even abroad. If you are still watching this video and find this insight valuable, please type yes in the comment section and below this video, and I will be happy to see that indeed you are with me. If you have not subscribed yet, I recommend you click the subscription button below and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any of my video next tomorrow. Your support by promoting this video, subscribe and like help me motivated and continue creating more real life business story and motivation like this. Now let's move forward. Fact number 6, Civil service promotion is like watching a paint dry. To move from level 8 to level 9, you will wait 5 years. And guess what? Even if you are the hardest worker, if your oga doesn't like you, your file may never come to a stable. Office politics is real. Office politics is real. Meanwhile, in business, you start with 0 naira today and you grow to 100k in 3 months and you scale to 1 million in 1 year. Your promotion depends on your effort, not office gossip. Here is a joke for you. In civil service, even your salary slip is tired of waiting for promotion. You hear that? Your salary slip is tired of waiting for the promotion you are waiting for. Look at that. Fact number 7. Youth want ownership, not titles without power. When you build a business, it is your name on the door. You are the CEO. You make the decisions. You take the credit and you control your brand. In government jobs, you might do 90% of the work, but your boss gets 100% of the praise. Young people are tired of being background staff. They want the spotlight. They want ownership. They want legacy. This is good for every smart youth in our country today. Fact number 8. Government jobs are no longer reliable. Once upon a time, government jobs meant stability, respect, good pay, and job for life. But these days, many ministries owing 3 to 6 months of salary. Retrenchment is real. Corruption blocks recruitment, and the system favors who know you, not what you know. So, smart youth are not waiting for one federal job that may never come. After several waiting, they are building their own ladders right away. Funny line for you. I waited for government to work from Goodluck Jonathan's time. Now, I run my own food delivery app with 5 riders. Look at that. And this is my story and my testimony for you. Fact number 9. Side hustle has become the main hustle. Let's be honest. Even civil servants are now selling things on the side. POS, Ankara, perfume, weekend catering, and lessons for kids. So, smart youth are asking if even people with government jobs are doing business on the side. Why not just start with business? Why wait years for a letter from Abuja when your fashion brand can start tomorrow? And here is a fact. Why wait years for a letter from Abuja when your fashion brand can start tomorrow? Fact number 10. Confidence and respect comes from building something yourself. Yes, I mean it. Confidence and respect comes from building something yourself. There is a unique pride that comes from saying, I built this from scratch. I don't work for anyone. I employ 3 people. There is pride there. I own that shop. And of course, this brand is mine. You don't need a government ID card to feel important, even if you sell fish or pop-off. As long as you own it, you feel like a boss. And that is self-respect. Is priceless. Self-respect is priceless. Here is a bonus point. Number 11, tech and design business has made entrepreneurship easy. Before, starting a business meant renting a shop. Now, you can run a full business on WhatsApp, sell products through Instagram, teach online with Zoom, and open a YouTube channel and get paid in dollars. Smart youth know that we live in a digital age and they are using the tools. Here is bonus point number 12. Inspiration is everywhere. Look around where you are. Young guys are now millionaires through YouTube. Ladies are turning makeup brands into empires. Bloggers, influencers, and tech bros are making waves. These are not fantasies. These are real people, just like you, just like me. Smart youth are getting inspired every day. They are saying, if he can do it, why not me? Why not me? Now, let's have a real talk. Let me ask you, have you ever felt stuck waiting for a government job? Do you have a small idea, hobby, or skill that can become a business? What exactly is stopping you from starting? Fear? Capital? Or what people will say? Drop your answer in the comment section and let's talk like family. In conclusion, now listen carefully. We are not saying civil service is evil. In fact, some people love it and do well in it, but it is not for everyone, especially not for dreamers, hustlers, and innovators. Civil service is slow. Civil service is rigid. Civil service is unpredictable. And of course, civil service is sometimes frustrating. But business is exciting. It's risky, yes, but rewarding. It's flexible and also growing. You are born with talent, ideas, and energy. So, why waste all the waiting for a chair in one dusty office? Build your own table, paint it your own color, write your own name on it. Even if you start small, start with heart, because at the end of the day, it is better to be the CEO of your small hustle than an employee in someone else's slow system. If this video made you think different, smash that like button to help more smart youth see this truth. Subscribe to the channel for more hot, real, and inspirational content like this. And of course, share this video with that young friend who is still waiting for one federal letter. And remember this, smart youth don't wait for opportunities, they create them. Hear me again. Smart youths don't wait for opportunities because they know such wonderful opportunities may never come, but rather they create opportunity, they create jobs, they create work for themselves. So rise up, start something and grow. Go and get great things to do. Go and be great. Here is an important question for you. Who is the government? You are the government of yourself. Govern your life and take good care of yourself. Bye for now.